And the bird dog's in the woods. And there goes Rosa. Thelma Lou.
I have to bring him every time.
I'm so excited. He's doing amazing.
This is better for him than that.
Well, he's feeling better too.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, he's been back on Doxy for a couple weeks.
I know. I can tell. Look, this one is cute. This little Akita mix.
Quinny's getting a little snarly. I'm thinking about putting him back on.
Well, he could have a co-infection. If he's got a co-infection, then 8 weeks isn't going to be enough. That's why we got to get his blood done. But yeah, put him back on it. I would assume since you've been up in Wisconsin, he's probably got Rocky Mountain spotted fever too.
Sure. God, I can imagine how many dogs
buddy.
there. All those dogs have been infected. Everybody's got a dog.
Here he comes. Here comes Mr. Handsome. Here's Mr. Handsome. There he goes. Look at his endurance, you know?
Yeah,
he's been running for an hour now. That's really good.
Yeah, he's a fun boy. He's not just a pod old man. He loves to play in the yard.
Oh.
I play all the time with him in the yard. So. If Ed would leave us alone, I gotta put Ed in the house.
Ed's like, where's my toys?
I can't throw
a toy. Here's Quinny. Hi, Quinn. Hi, Quinn. Happy Easter, everybody! Oops. That was genius. Hi, Eddie. Anybody seen Ophelia? Anybody seen Ophelia? I let her go and I said, I'll see you later. Hey, Lon. Hi. Hi, you happy boy? Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, you guys. What's going on? Hi. So pretty in here. Hey, Ro. Hi, Rosa. Hi. What's going on? There she goes. Where are those pointers, Thelma Lou? Hi, boys. Hi. We're looking for Ophelia. We're on an Ophelia Easter egg hunt. There goes Rosa.